let's talk about House of Blockchain Explorers. Blockchain, a radical change agent technology, right? The way internet has become a backbone of every business model in last 20-25 years. I think after 10 years, we'll not talk about blockchain. What is that we'll talk about? We'll talk about use cases of blockchain. And who is going to happen in that? I think House of Blockchain Explorers. That's the platform I'm looking at. So what is House of Blockchain Explorers, right? It is a unique platform with a great agenda to nurture technology like blockchain and various other use cases like crypto, NFT, DeFi, cross-border payment, CBDC. We have to nurture these kind of use cases in a society for a welfare of every citizen. Now, when I look at the whole blockchain journey in last 5-6 years, there are many areas needs to be nurtured. First area, for in my view, is around education. How do we nurture the education for every student, corporate? How do we really take blockchain to the next level as far as understanding of blockchain is concerned? Second area is around research and development of a blockchain. We see Hyperledger, Ethereum. We don't see any of this India made a fabric or a platform for a blockchain. I think that's a way to look at it. Then House of Blockchain Explorers are going to explore which are those new platforms can become India's platform. Third area is like how do we create a better center of excellence or an approach for corporates to nurture blockchain technology for their use cases. Say example, start with awareness, or secondly could be creation of or discovery of many use cases for that corporate or that company, and then to do some POCs, pilots, and get the overall use case into an industry adoption. Fourth area, which is like a government support. There are a lot of Gango about crypto. There are a lot of work to be done around crypto regulation or policy making, right? That's where we need to create an ecosystem of mentors who will come and really help this kind of better policy making. Fourth area, as a marketplace, right? So can we create a pool of blockchain experts, mentors? So wherever you ask about any use case, see, House of Blockchain Explorers comes and says, yeah, we have those mentors which are relevant to your banking use case, healthcare use case, they relevant to any of the industries. Eventually, every industry gonna get some kind of a blockchain adoption in the next 5 to 6 years. Final thing, which is like a training part, which I was talking about education. Can we not create a better blockchain curriculum, right? So which can be helpful for students, which can be helpful for architects, which can be helpful for a business analyst. So based upon the need, a tailor-made course, just like a training as a service kind of a course, right? So how can we really create that blockchain education, right? So that's one of the agenda of a House of Blockchain Explorers. So my dear friends, I invite you all blockchain enthusiasts, practitioners, be part of this journey. This journey is gonna be very, very nice journey in as far as the blockchain adoption is concerned. I am looking forward. Collaboration is the key, right? Blockchain teaches us the collaboration, right? So let's collaborate at a House of Blockchain Explorers and look at what is that we can do really for our country. Thank you so much.